Yeah, so don't feel like you get too bright. Me notice you pass, you look shit up, ranking self. Don't make me have to diss you for real. Last time you see up on the ship, you never want to fight. You never want war.
Batty big good boy. Fuck out them other pops. If you like me rate a pussy. Anyway, me see you, make sure you breathe tight.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with T. Yes, hi, I'm Tina. I am the face behind the camera. And in today's video, we will discuss quite a few things. First off, King and Shti finally got a house. Mackerel seemed too pleased about it. She and Blinger went live to discuss their disgust, I can say. Also, Jaden has a strange message for Pops YG. Yeah. We also have Ramesh versus Futa. Ramesh versus Tifa. Ramesh versus the whole Jamaica. You got some explaining to do. Also, looks like Shorty is getting married or engaged. She did something like this where she waved her finger. Y'all tell me if she's trolling or not. But if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also like this video. Thank you for your support. And stay tuned. Let's get into it. Now the other day, Ramesh, obviously everybody knows that Twisley party was held at the National Stadium, and Ramesh was the I guess you say the man in charge. And you know, he decided to support Derek Morgan. Now it is assumed that Derek is a homosexual, and Futa Hype doesn't agree with Ramesh endorsing it by paying for a room for him, by giving him tickets and all of that. So the both of them were going back and forth. Threats were made, and threats were made on both sides actually. But check this out.
Notice everybody will use sponsor as comedian now. Have some shaky going now. Everybody so. Everybody you work with now. Not daily.
Futa. Everybody knows I'm not really talk about this amount of people in screen record this. Futa. I tell you good, Futa. Don't feel because you not come back to Jamaica. See that? You not come back to Jamaica, walk come to Florida and hold you and box up your big nose in a boy. Don't listen to me, you love call up my name and man love you in a boy. Right? You love call up my name for get hype. You Futa humble yourself, bro. Because you know man. You know man for years. You hear me I say, bro? That me I tell you good man. Don't draw me out, brother. You hear me I say? Because you say 90s badness or what, that have nothing to do with me. You love fast with people too much. I want the man to step on your foot the right way and humble you. You hear me I say, Dan? And me want the people in screen records and send this. Big nose boy. Remember say when the day a bomb buck like a cassava piece, man have to help you and make sure yo, hey boy, don't start with me, here. Remember that. So you're hungry. Know what you do, you hear youth? Know what you do, youth. That me I tell you. Same blood clot Ramesh from Campbell's Boulevard and blood clot content that will help you and save you. Hey boy, know what you do. You hear? You can come on this and start this because we fine you. Because film money can't done. You hear me I tell you boy? Stop calling up me and my team name. Every time you want to come call up people. You see me I say? Me love she bad and me love pretty than them to call up my name because they don't know me. You know me. You know me from day one. You know from where I come from. You know me from zero. You hear me I say you humble yourself. Good. Don't talk to you. No more something else about it. Every time your blood clot you come for live and you see me at the airport or something. The next time you see at the airport, you have to knock a flat at ground. If they want to take a visa here zero. Or someone who not going to learn to somebody take on the tongue out of the mouth gun man. I want to tell you boy. Back there, right? Yes. Not even listening. Yo, no for them black, never listening. Wow, we are go. I'm active up himself. You see him come talk about I'm going to arrange the hotel team and I'm talk about it. Boy, remember say you tell the blood clean police them say you're gay and you can't come back to Jamaica. That is why they're not sending you back to Jamaica. You come back and tell the people and say you're a batty man. You tell the police and say yo, I'm gay and I cannot go back to Jamaica. They're going to hurt me. Boy, we are rampant man. What I'm to you man? You love come use up some man come and feel like say because some top man rate you. Boy, I want you. Remember say top man they break more than you. That one you know. You hear that? So humble yourself. You hear? And look for me good. Look for me good and listen me. You will make somebody book you and cook you. You hear me I say? Why you look good? I'm a joking thing. You will make somebody book you and cook you. Good. Done with you. And I'm not more for second. You can't say anything you want to say after this. You hear that? Good.
Shots fired. Well, At the first, me I see Ramesh ever step out like this in a bad man era. Well, you don't know say Foota hype not take that because a straight nation him say and him have to defend him thing. So this is Foota hype's version. One thing though, you know, I don't really agree with the fact that the two of them are threatening one another pan the media. So you know, if anything fit happen with either parties, it's documented. Cause remember, everything the pan media. Me don't think nobody featured nobody and me don't think they're serious still. Cause you could have never be serious and they check no one another so knowing say if nothing to them they gonna come for no. Come on. Can we all get along? Anyways, check this out.
A bad boy feel without money or with money. Yeah, so don't feel like you get too bright. Me notice you pass your little shit up, ranking self. Don't make me feel this you feel real. Last time you see up on the ship, you never want to fight. You never want war. So you come chat up. What do you do on your life and I talk to somebody named Foota? And the people might say, one Foota if you come talk about another Foota they were not a soul. Tell the people and say you're not a hole. You have back. Name fuck Ramesh, you can diss me. For they chat something and make some look talk. Puss brawling now. Do anything where you want to know. Me see y'all pay if you do Derek teeth. Veneer. Why would you pay if you do a man mouth where suck? And what you want? You want when him a give gingivitis, not germs. Cause the hungry way that you would have fixed a man with mouth. Look how much girl where you eat with a work with a veneer now. Look how much work around there. You have female who that take a veneer right now. And you are doing a man with suck. Wow. Wow. Don't try it, youth. Don't. Fatakiri, you ever hear man a pay for man veneer? A man blatantly tell you in now a woman, I would him and you a pay for take care of him mouth? You pay for veneers for him? So you want when him a give the blood? No germs, no gingivitis, no cavity, no nothing. Something alright. Something. You better you never did do that video there, Ramesh. Cause you just show up yourself. Me not understand why a man would have pay to do a veneers. Secondly, make you know say this boy, this big stinking Indian boy is a little sprat. Him a go say how much other people diss him where they on the lean side. See now how much people say things about him on the lean side. See? And him lower them. But a straight man you want to argue with. You want say you want to pay if you kill a straight man. Oh, so you don't want to kill nobody else because you're them a teammate. Oh, but I me have strength for. Start it.
So tell me what you guys think about that in the comment section. Do you think they're serious or them just want to show their ego, their manhood? Ugh. I just hope nobody gonna get hurt physically. So on to the next topic. Shti, we can say former Gaza Done queen. She was at a party the other day and a song was playing and she just did this. And you know, and the whole facial expression, and we're like, what's the tea, sis? Tell us, please. But you know, Shti not gonna go clear nothing. So, but just have the video because the background there's the song that's playing. Me not get no copyright, please, nobody. So, check this video out. Okay, guys. So this is the video that I saw on King Mix-Up's page. I'm gonna let you hear the song and then she react. Check this out. You see the face, you see the attitude, you know much I clap, but I don't know what to tell me what to think about this. You guys remember Janelle Brumfield and Noah Lies? I'm trolling. Okay. Him, the blabbermouth. Yeah, they are getting married. Guys, I think it's time that we can forgive them though. I'm genuinely happy for her, really, because as a dark-skinned girl, she got a lot of bullying in Jamaica, and she did post the screenshots of people threatening her and saying very mean things, right? We don't agree with, you know, the boyfriend being a blabbermouth, but hey, if God never forgive some of we would have did long time. So let's just be happy. But I'm going to show you the video of him proposing. I think it was so beautiful. Check this out. So here's the video, guys. It starts off with rose petals, and it was done on the 12th of October. I think most of his family was there. I'm not sure if any of hers are there, but you know, friends and family were there. But for YouTube reasons, I can't play all of the music that was in the background, but it's every little black girl's dream to get married to their best friend, their favorite person, and I'm happy for her. I really am. You know, hopefully he treats her right and continue to make her happy, and hopefully they learn from what happened. And ladies, please don't tell your man everything. You see what happened, huh? I do wish them all the best. So tell me what you guys think about that in the comment section. The next topic we're going to talk about is Pops YG and Jaden. Now, the other day, Pops was arrested and he came out of jail. And, you know, he went to Swiss League party and he was watching a video of Jaden insulting him. I don't know if I should say disrespect. Probably he took it that way. And he responded. And now Jaden sent back a message, but the end of the message, it's like he must say, make sure say, you have on brief or not on brief. I'm like, huh? What? Anyways, you guys tell me what you think. Listen to this.
Stay somewhere. I'm gonna tell you why Pops YG gonna jail. Him chop to blood clot.
Market your job, suck out your suck. Oh no, I put me go crash you already.
It's a two rascal.
2 car me have a rat down.
It's two rascal, man. The blood clot, the blonde more blood clot, goat looking boy. You chat too much, man. I want to hear, boy. Go in that jail, man.
Bad man, you fuck. Boy.
So it looked like Jaden sent a voice note or he was on live, but you can see in the next clip that I'm about to show Pops YG's reaction. People don't like comments all that say, I want really going with TikTok. If people don't make comments and say, you them weak. And God know, I really have to wonder. But don't listen to this. Make sure you listen to it to the end. Cause you got one question mark over here. Like what?
Good morning. Pops YG go suck out him at a bad boy. You still a hype with Benz, good boy. Suck out him at a Pops. You feel like me rate a pussy. Anyway, me see you, make sure you breathe tight. Oh. Anyway, me see you, make sure you breathe tight. Oh.
I gotta ask you now again. What are you thinking? Say, I'm in a year good. Me really not year good. Why are you concerned about a man's life? To each his own. To each his own. I'm just saying, it's a little weird. But tell me what you guys think in the comment section. Anyways, that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the subscribe button. Okay? Hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. And also, I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video. And I'll see you next time. Bye!